How to find Capitec Swift Code. Hi everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can find the Swift code of Capitec Bank. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. Capitec is a bank from South Africa, so all you have to do is go into your web browser and type Capitec Bank Swift or Swift code, whatever you want, like keywords this is going to redirect you into the Swift code. This is capitecbank.co.za, and as you can see, this info is from their website. So the Swift code is this one. This is useful because some banks are required to have the Swift code for international transactions. So this is the code that you must paste into that bar, Swift code. And that's how you can do it. If you require some other Swift code from another bank, you just have to change this name. I'm just going to type this Bank Swift. There are going to be some other apps like Wise. Wise has an interesting platform in order to check Swift codes. Okay, you can select a country, for instance, let's suppose Argentina, and start typing a bank name or some other. I just don't have a name here. Let's suppose this one from this, and you can find your Swift code as well. Here it is. You can copy it and use it, or also just type it here in google.com. And that's how you can do it. That's how you can find Capitec Swift code. Thanks for watching.